Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Excelophy tutorials. Today in this video, I'll show how a flash fill method is not good in extracting dates from column A, range to column D in the same format and dynamic. By the way, if you'd like to change the date format by formatting option, then you can change it. Press Ctrl 1, Custom, clear the general, type YYM-D, then OK. Date has formatted, but there will be another problem. If I change or update the date here in the events column, then it won't change in events dates columns. To update the events date in column A, press F2 or double click on cell. As you can see here, the date in column A has been updated, but in the events date column remains the same. Instead of this, we use functions to make a formula. Let's see. Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet softwares use equal to symbol to make a formula using function. Here we first use mid function. Here the highlighted text in the mid function is the cell address or string in which middle of the specific criteria to be applied. And at the place of start num, we use search function to search the comma place number as text. At the place of find text, we search comma, which is in this first column. We should write the commas between the double inverted commas. We should write the commas between the double inverted commas. Now select the cell in which dates are mentioned between the names and cities. Here that is A2. After that, close the one parenthesis. And then add +2, then comma. Again we use search function as same as before. Again selecting the cell address, we again use search function after the comma instead of closing parenthesis. Again use same as before too. After closing the parenthesis, +1. After adding 1, we won't subtract now. We use search function once more. Here we subtract 2, instead of summing up. Oh no, it value error. Now press F2 key to edit the formula. As already I say, we won't use 1, but close the parenthesis also after the 1. As you are seeing, everything is going but. Here we close the parenthesis after the number 1. And now hit the enter to see the result. The date has been extracted successfully. If we change the date here, the event dates will also change within the same format also. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video helpful, then please like share this. It takes too much time to share to you freely.